How do you make super silky Chinese steamed eggs with absolutely no air pockets? Learn to make super silky steamed eggs in just 3 minutes. We have 5 eggs here, which is about 1 cup or 250 millimeters. In a mixing bowl, add the eggs and salt. Whisk. And here we have 1.5 cups or 356 millimeters of lukewarm chicken stock. You can also replace it with water. This is an important cooking tip. The temperature of the liquid should be between 98 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 to 41 degrees Celsius. Here's another cooking tip. The ratio of eggs to liquid is about 1 to 1.5. Pour in the lukewarm chicken stock. Whisk. Through a strainer, pour the egg mixture into a serving bowl to remove air bubbles. This is another step to ensure that we have super silky steamed eggs. In a steamer over high heat, bring water to a boil. Turn to low heat. Transfer the serving bowl inside and cover it with a plate. This is also really important. It will prevent any water droplets from falling onto the eggs and create uneven surfaces. Cover the lid and steam until the eggs are completely cooked through, about 15 minutes. Uncover. Add the deveined shrimp. And cover it up again. Over low heat, steam for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat. Let it rest in the pot for 2 minutes. Uncover and carefully take it out. Add scallions on top. In a small pan over high heat, add the avocado oil and heat it up until smoking hot. And carefully pour the hot oil over the steamed eggs. It will add another dimension of flavor and aroma to the dish. Steamed eggs have been with me through many ups and downs. Sometimes when things are down, perhaps all we need is some comforting steamed eggs to cheer us up again. You know, I always like this saying, when life gives you lemon, make lemonade out of it. So in our case, when life gives you some cracked eggs, make steamed eggs out of them. Be positive and happy cooking, everyone. Enjoy! This is absolutely delicious, so good. It is the silkiest steamed eggs I have ever tried. It is so delicious. I just love it. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like. And I will see you again soon. Bye!